Hey everybody, Brian Hart Hoffman here in the Bake From Scratch kitchen. Today I'm sharing my recipe for an almond French buttercream with you. And let me tell you what, distinctly French means lots of butter, and this buttercream uses egg yolks. This one's delicious, it's super unique, maybe the rarest of them all. You're gonna love it. Let's get started. To get things started, we will head over to the cooktop where we're gonna make a sugar syrup. Now in a saucepan, I'm gonna add granulated sugar, and I'm gonna add a little bit of water. I am going to bring this to a boil, and I need to let this warm to a temperature of 240 degrees Fahrenheit. Be careful not to splash the sides of the pan, but after it starts to boil, you do not want to stir it at all. With our mixture ready at 240 degrees Fahrenheit, let's get everything in the bowl of the stand mixer. What makes the French buttercream so unique is we are using egg yolks in this buttercream. And you know there are some others that we love to make that use egg whites. You'll have to come back for other videos to see that. But this recipe uses egg yolks, and we're just gonna get them combined in the bowl of the stand mixer with some salt before we bring in that hot sugar syrup. So just a quick whisk. We're gonna use the whisk attachment for the whole buttercream. So just bring those together. And then you can leave the stand mixer on. So once you have your eggs and salt combined, we're gonna bring in the sugar syrup. Now leave the mixer on a medium speed, and then you are going to pour your hot sugar syrup between the side of the bowl and the whisk attachment in a slow and steady stream. Every bit out of that pot. Now we'll let this beat in maybe like 8 to 10 minutes until the mixture is thickened and the bowl should be cool to the touch. Right now, it is definitely not. Now you can see the egg mixture has gotten very pale in color. It's cool to the touch, and we're going to start adding some room temperature unsalted butter. And you can see, you know, French love butter, and I do too. So this buttercream deserves lots of it. We're gonna add our room temperature butter, a few cubes at a time, and let each addition fully combine before you add the next. And this may take a few minutes to get all of the butter in. And something to think about, if for any reason this mixture, after you have all of the butter added, stays too loose and it's not whipping into that beautiful buttercream, it might be because the temperature of the egg mixture is still too warm. What you would do is take the bowl and the whisk and put it in the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes, come back to the stand mixer and continue beating with the whisk. That cooler temperature is gonna help to get it nice and fluffy and everything the right consistency. The butter is in, it's looking really good. I just stopped and scraped the sides and bottom of the bowl, and then we're gonna add one more ingredient to give it a beautiful flavor, some almond extract. Then we'll give it one final whisk in the stand mixer, and you've got your French buttercream finished and beautiful. Look at that beautiful glisten and shine and that unique, distinct yellow color. It almost looks like whipped room temperature butter, but it's not because it's a French buttercream. It's so smooth, it's so silky. This one is a winner. Thank you for joining me in the kitchen today. The description to the video includes the link to the recipe and how you can be a part of the Bake From Scratch community. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel so that you never miss another delicious moment. But now, you've got some buttercream to make, so I would maybe do some cake layers too. Preheat your ovens, everybody. It's time to bake.